It's 6 hours before my party, and I'm cutting up the dress.
It's mental illness.
Shoot. Hey, I'm Negeen, and today is probably gonna be one of the most special days of my life. I have not celebrated my birthday since I was in high school. The last time I had a birthday celebration, it was at the Cheesecake Factory, and I had 12 of my friends, and like 2 of the girls weren't getting enough attention, and they made me cry. Like, I'm so grateful because today I'm gonna be surrounded by 20 incredible people, my friends, some of their significant others, and we're gonna be having a spooky picnic cocktail with a bartender and me in this sparkly sequin dress. Okay, so here is the plan. It is gonna be held at a dome. I've actually never been inside. Like, we're having this party inside a place I've never even stepped inside. Then my friend Carly is literally setting up a picnic inside of the spooky dome, and the picnic is gonna be spooky themed for my spooky last final years of my 20s. And she's gonna be putting out pillows, so it's literally like a spooky cocktail picnic for me. I'm so excited. Okay, this is our mission right now. I need to cut up this dress. Basically, the feathers are hanging on by a thread, so I need to remove the feathers. I just think it'll look a little bit better. I have a vision that if I use eyebrow scissors and gently, very slowly, if I get rid of the feathers, is not a small task. This has to be like I'm a surgeon. I literally have to perform surgery on this dress. It was $135. I cannot mess this up, and I can't even return it. I'm literally stuck with this dress until I die. Bury me in this dress. God forbid. I did it. One down, 4,000 more to go. Can you tell? It looks kinda good. Oh my god! I'm cutting up my party dress. Look at all of these feathers. Oh. Holy crap, I finished. That took 2 hours. It looks so much better, I feel. Oh my god, I'm like a genius. Honestly, admit it. Admit it in the comments that I'm a genius. Wow. Okay, let's rage. Wow, this is like, and like, look how nice like the sheer part looks. I'm actually a genius. Like, this works. Sometimes things in life work out where like I wanted to get another dress so badly. I went to the mall, I tried on dresses, I looked for everything. And I was like, I don't know, something was telling me like, things aren't working out for you to find a new dress. Like, it sounds like this may be the dress for me. I just have to make it work. And then last night I was just thinking about the dress. I'm like, what if I just got rid of the feathers? And it looks so freaking good. Oh my god! Wow. This is a vibe. Ah! Do you hear that? The second coffee entering this system of mine. Okay, I took a shower, I had some lunch. I'm looking a little bit pale. Am I okay? So it is 2:30 and I have to get to the venue location at 6 p.m. So, I don't know, like, do I get ready now? I have nothing else to do. I literally took off today. For what? I've been bored for like the past 3 hours. Sheridan.
Hello, birthday girl.
Hello. Oh my god, I'm so pumped. I'm crashing a little bit because I had to make another coffee.
Yeah, I think I need to get. I'm on my second one, almost done.
You guys are gonna freak out over the menu. This is what it looks like. Just take that in while we talk.
Yeah.
Negeen with envy.
The Negeen martini.
Negeen martini. That was my mom's favorite.
Really? Oh.
Yeah.
Your mom's probably like, I want to come.
I invited them. She's like,
Oh,
they have work. My dad's actually leaving for Vegas tomorrow morning.
oh, it's partying.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, ready for it to be over. I actually think.
Okay, I am so excited. It is 3 p.m. That means it's time to get ready. Okay, the tried and true shirt that I wear every video. Anyway, okay. I'm ready for my party. Gross. Work in the front, party on the side. Oh my god. Okay, so time to do my makeup. Okay, I did my makeup. Do we like it? Let me show you in the light. Ooh, not too bad. Cute. That is a very, I look like one of those like Renaissance women. Okay, are you ready to see? Hi, welcome to my party. Ew, oh my god, I'll be back. Do I look stunning? Look at my hair. Can you see it because it's so black? I'm not wearing any pants, I'm sorry. I don't know. Anyway, okay, I pretty much have to get ready to go in the next 10 minutes. I'm gonna put on the dress and then we're gonna head out and we're gonna go to the party. Ah! I feel like I'm like a 70s go-go dancer. I'm not fully complaining. Okay, I'm ready to go. I have my duffel bag for alcohol transportation. I literally feel like I am in the 70s. But it's too late now, you know? Like everyone's gonna be like casual and I'm gonna be literally like I'm a 70s go-go dancer. Whatever. See you there.
About Negeen is her contagious energy. Every time I hang out with her, like my heart feels full by how loving and like caring she is. And I love that she will always tell you straight because I have always had friends that will.
Okay, she's just very motivational, and whenever we have our little coffee brainstorm dates, I just feel like she just provides so much value. Like she's a mentor for me.
Aww.
And it's just like really nice to have her because I feel like she was one of the first creators that I met here in Austin. So I'm really thankful for you, Negeen.
Hello. Okay, guys, everyone is set up. She's so funny. Look at this funny gal.
And I love the one-liners that Negeen comes up with, and she keeps it for like 8 years. She told me YOLO like my freshman year. She's still
YOLO?
Yes.
Oh.
But she says it YOLO. She's like YOLO. And she still says it to this day. She's so sweet. Anyway, she always makes me laugh, like even when I'm sad. So I love that about her.
Love it.
Okay, take a video of me bringing out to Negeen. Oh shit, that camera burned. You ready?
Wait.
Happy birthday to you. I always look at my
This is my favorite scene of the Great British Bake Off.
Except she's not British.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
Is that it?
Just share with
Wait,
your
am I
partner.
Lick the knife. Lick the knife.
Whew, sorry. I just came up a flight of stairs. Wait, hold on. Whew. Guys, it was such an incredible night. I had the best time. Am I okay? Hold on. It was the best celebration ever. If any of my guests are watching this, thank you so much for coming. I love you so much. I had the best time, honest to God. Like, I couldn't have done it without Sheridan and host ATX. Like, truly like the most magical evening, and I'm just feeling really loved. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you were here with me as well, but I'm glad we could be together in spirit. I have to pee so badly, but it was such a magical evening. Sheridan, I know you're watching this. I love you. My girl literally convinced me to have a birthday party. Who does that? Honest to God, like, name a friend that will do that to make sure that you have a really good birthday. No one. Like, anyway, Sheridan, I love you. It was such a special night. It's almost like I want to profusely message everyone and be like, thank you so much for coming to celebrate me. But I think I should just like relax tonight and send the text tomorrow morning. But very grateful, very thankful. What a year. What a year of being 28 until 29, and I'm so excited for what 29 has to come. I'm literally by myself filming this, and it was a really, really special night. I think it's alcohol. Shoot. I couldn't ask for anything more in this lifetime, so thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Kisses.